In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an older version of a file in Google Drive. If you've ever overwritten a file and need to get a previous copy back, Google Drive makes it straightforward, as long as you're on a computer. This feature isn't available in the mobile apps, so open a desktop browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in if you're not already, and navigate to the folder where your file lives. This works for common files like PDFs and images, and it relies on version history, which appears when files have been replaced or updated over time. Once you've located the file, right-click it. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually does the trick. A menu will appear. Hover over File Information, then click Manage Versions. This opens a small dialog box that lists the available versions of the file, each with a timestamp so you can tell when it was uploaded or modified. Take a moment to scan the list and identify the version you want. If you don't see any older versions, it likely means the file hasn't been updated in a way that creates a version trail, or you might not have permission to view version history for that item. In shared drives or files owned by someone else, your access level can affect what you can see or do. When you've found the version you need, look to the right of that entry for the three vertical dots. This is the More Actions menu. Click those dots, then choose Download. Your browser will begin saving that specific version to your computer. Depending on your settings, you may be asked where to save it, or it may go straight into your default Downloads folder. Keep in mind that downloading from Manage Versions doesn't change the file in your drive. It simply creates a local copy of the older version for you. This is helpful if you want to compare documents side by side, restore a previous image, or keep an archival snapshot without altering the current version that others may still be using. If the dialog takes a moment to load, give it a second. Larger files or long histories can take a bit. And if you're dealing with sensitive documents, double check where you're saving the download, especially on shared computers. That's all there is to it. Find the file on drive.google.com, right-click, go to File Information, open Manage Versions, and download the exact version you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you recover the right file without any hassle.